Since our last video, the other yard assignments have been busy bringing their cars down from their respective industries to the interchange yard and setting up the yard for our departures and interchange moves. Our westbound Conrail lift is quite heavy today. The entire interchange track is filled with 13 cars for the westbound Conrail train. The interchange yard itself is also quite full. The first track is the arrival departure track, and it's currently holding the bulk of the Quebec and New England northbound train. The middle track is the head end of the Quebec and New England northbound train, so it'll have to be doubled over on departure. The fourth track is the eastbound Conrail lift that the yard assignment is currently holding out of the way so the Q&E power can sneak through the yard. As the power consist for our northbound train pulls away from the shop, we see that we've got a beautifully matched set of 4 EMD GP38s, code numbers 78, 82, 73, and 77. These Atlas locomotives date back probably some 15 years. They are from the very first release that Atlas brought to the market, and as such they have a bit of a whine to the motor, and you can hear the gears grinding a little bit. Probably need to cycle them through the shop for some well-deserved maintenance. At some point some of them will receive new decoders with sound, and they'll start to sound more like locomotives than models. Once the consist clears the switch to the second track in the yard, we'll reverse on to the head end of our train so we can make our double over. With its brake test complete, the Q&E northbound is cleared to leave the yard. Our train slowly sneaks past the interchange track, holding the westbound Conrail lift on its way out of town. The Q&NE uses trackage rails over Conrail to reach its home rails just west of the visible portion of the layout. Here's a lower angle view of the train passing through the interlocking. As the Q&NE northbound train slowly exits the visible portion of the layout, through the tunnel and helixes below to staging, the eastbound Conrail train appears on the layout and makes its way toward the interchange yard to make its pickup and set off. The Conrail crew eases their train to a gentle stop ahead of the signals governing the interlocking and will wait there for permission to enter. Please join us for our next video where we'll watch the eastbound Conrail train pick up and set out its interchange traffic with the Q&NE.